Great.
So guys, I got a couple of questions here for you.
Sure.
The first one is, I've tried insurance in the past and I've been unsuccessful at selling it at all, period. Do you have anything that you can do to help me increase my penetration?
Sure. We have state approved lease language documents that'll help you through. Obviously the first thing is lease compliance, and we have some boilerplate documents that we've prepared for facilities. We hear that a lot, where someone has said, I don't want to scare off my tenants, and we hear that not only for not offering insurance, but just even a rate increase on the insurance. So it's something we have documents available for you. We have different trainings out there that we can send you that talks you through the selling of how to sell the insurance product and understand the value of it to your customers. And that definitely helps penetration.